everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 436 of trying a new makeup product every day. Today I have the Amuse Cosmetics matte liquid lipstick to try out, and I got this from ShopMissA, which means this was only $1 and it's cruelty free. I know that this comes in 12 different shades. It comes in lots of nude shades, but then also a range of like reds and purples, some deep shades. But I just wish that these more clearly said on them what shade they are. I think that this is shade number 6, but I will let you know for sure in the description down below. But so I am very excited about this. This seems like it could be the type of lip product that I love. It claims to be long lasting, and I love long lasting liquid lipsticks that aren't going to transfer and are going to be able to stay on through eating and drinking. And I love $1 lip products especially that can do that. So hopefully that's what this will be. If it's not like that, hopefully it's at least pretty. But so we get a small doe foot applicator. I do like that for applying lip products, especially since I have pretty small lips. But let's see how this shade looks. Pretty nice pigment here. Ooh. This has a very terrible smell though. It like almost smells fruity, but then it turns into like a strong chemical scent. It just smells like not like something I want to put on my lips. I haven't really run into this problem before where a product has smelled so unappealing that I didn't actually want to apply it. But you know what? I'm still gonna do it. It doesn't feel weird on my hand at all. And this looks like it might be a really nice nude shade, so I'm gonna go for it. I'm going to apply it. Wow, whew, that's bad. Okay. Okay, so that's one thin layer applied. It's not fully opaque, so I'm gonna go in with one more layer to build up that opacity. Okay, yeah, 2 layers is good. It's a good full pigment right now. But wow, when it dries down so much more like coral. Like here in the tube, this is how it looks when I first apply it when it's still wet. It's more of a nude pink, but it gets really different once it dries down. It's still pretty. I like this color, but it's brighter than I was expecting. Oh wow, this looks really good on my lips. It's got a beautiful matte finish, but it's not drying. It looks so smooth and even, and it's not clinging to any dry patches on my lips. Like, I would describe this as looking natural, like as if my lips were actually this color. It looks really good, and it dries down pretty quickly. So let's see. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and do a kiss test and see the transfer. No transfer whatsoever. That's how I was hoping this would be. Yeah, it's perfect. It's so intact. This is truly long lasting. I'm so excited. And I feel like this kind of almost bright coral shade is gonna be really good for the spring and summer. So I'm not disappointed in this color. I would have liked for it to be a little bit more of a nude shade that just makes it more wearable for any time, but I'm still happy with this color here, especially because of the formula. It just makes me like this product even more. And it's only $1, and I think it's the perfect formula. Like, it feels so comfortable on my lips. It doesn't feel drying. So yay, I'm so happy. This is a product that I am going to have to pick up in a bunch more colors. And also, it's not sticky at all on my lips. I do have some dollar store liquid lipsticks that are long lasting and they are great in every way except for they are sticky. Not this one. This is not sticky at all. And I have to say, the scent doesn't bother me at all now that it's applied to my lips. Even though it's like close to my nose, I can't smell the terrible scent of this. So it all worked out. I'm so glad I still tried this out because I am so happy to have this now. Since this is now one of my favorite matte liquid lipsticks, I would love to know in the comments down below what some of your favorite matte liquid lipsticks are, especially ones that are long lasting and don't transfer, because I love those products. I feel like I can't get enough of them, and I would love to try out more in future videos based off of your recommendations. So thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day, and I will see you tomorrow in my next video.